Okay, here with Jordan Kelly, the man with 2 Lucasids, right?
Oh, yeah, man, and a water.
And a water. How was training today?
It was phenomenal, man. I enjoyed it. Definitely got better today. I enjoy being around these guys and these coaches. I really learn a lot from these guys, you know. All these veterans and shit we've played for years. So it's been phenomenal, man.
And what was the road like up to this point?
It's been a blessing, man, to be here. You know, a lot of these guys, you know, come from different parts of the world, like traveling from Spain, France, Japan. And we're all here just embracing being home with our family and friends and just embrace opportunity to play in front of the home crowd, you know?
What's the vibe like in the camp?
I mean, it's good, you know. I mean, we obviously, as a group, been together before, like in Puerto Rico, so it's not like much, it's not like new faces, so like, we got like a bond together, and I mean, the camp is good, it's going good, energy good, everything.
And what do you say to the Jamaican people to get them here?
I mean, just come out, this is gonna be something like magnificent. It's first time on home soil, and we need all of y'all to come out, support us, and help us, because like, as you say, you guys are the sixth man, you're gonna help us with that extra energy that we need, and with you, we can do this.
It's good. Competing, we get after it. Putting a lot of things in, learning a lot, building trust with guys and everything. So it's going well.
And what do you think about your opponents? What will your approach be against them, you think?
You know, we really don't even see like a name for it. Just see like something we got to overcome to get to the next level. And that's what we're doing. We respect everybody, respect who's playing. But, you know, we got confidence in ourselves, and we think we'll come out on top.
Yeah, we spoke into a distance, you know. Like I said, we spoke at the banquet, and like, I expressed how important this was for me and how I really want to be a part of it. You know, from then to now, we're coming to something great. I'm going to put it at home, and then we're going to accomplish something even greater here in Jamaica. I'm playing here for the first time ever, and like, we're ready, and we're prepared, and we're going to go out and get it.
I'd be lying if I said we're not excited as a team, as a player, you know, to get a chance to play at home. To get a chance to reestablish Jamaica basketball on the big stages means the world to us.
And what do you have to say to the Jamaican people?
We appreciate your support thus far. We hope you guys will come out and continue to give us that energy that we need. It's a great privilege to represent our country. It's an even bigger privilege to have you guys help us to raise that banner higher.
1, 2, 3!